Mossad set up secret drone base in Iran, struck missile launchers aimed at Israel. Report: Israel's Mossad intelligence agency established a secret drone base near Tehran as part of a long-running covert campaign targeting Iran's nuclear and missile infrastructure, the Times of Israel reported, citing a senior Israeli security official. The operation was carried out in close coordination with the Israel Defense Forces (IDF), involving the smuggling of precision weapons systems and elite commandos into Iranian territory. According to the report, the base's UAVs were activated overnight to strike surface-to-surface missile launchers aimed at Israel. Simultaneously, Mossad commandos deployed precision-guided missiles near anti-aircraft sites in central Iran, while other vehicles carrying advanced weapons systems helped disable Iran's air defense systems, paving the way for Israeli aircraft to operate with air superiority. In parallel, Mossad also conducted a series of covert sabotage missions targeting Iranian air defense and long-range missile facilities, according to Axios journalist Barak Ravid. Speaking to CNN, Ravid said a senior Israeli official confirmed that these sabotage operations were launched alongside widespread Israeli airstrikes across Iran. On social media, Ravid described them as covert sabotage operations deep inside Iran. Dozens of strategic sites, including those linked to Iran's nuclear program, military infrastructure, and high-ranking commanders, were hit in the coordinated assault. Israel is now bracing for what it expects will be a forceful response from Tehran. Swipe left for next video. The strikes mark a major escalation in the Israel-Iran conflict, with the Israeli Air Force launching a wide-ranging assault on dozens of military and nuclear-linked targets across Iran. Among the key locations hit were the Natanz uranium enrichment facility, missile launch sites, and command centers. The operation, described by Israeli officials as a preemptive move to counter an existential threat, follows heightened tensions over Iran's advancing nuclear program. Iran has declared a nationwide state of emergency in response, while Israel remains on high alert for potential retaliation. Latest blogs.